messages about the.
We are live, just in case it's private ideas.
No, it's just. Maximum Bombastic says hello.
Hello. Right, we have a new chat. Scripts are running. JT, hello, 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 hello. Okay. Did that work? We should be back. I apologize for the interruption.
It's not live for me just yet.
Okay, well, it's live on this end and it says we're live.
Pyro says, finally, I'm at the start of the stream. Haha.
You did it!
I'm assuming that's a safe zone.
Oh yeah, you're fine.
Lime says, seems like it.
Okay. That's very annoying because now I have two divided streams. Okay. But the board is broken.
No thanks.
But the board is broken. Oh, I've not started the script, that's why. I had to change the, there we go. I've had to change the link for that. Okay, script is running, should be good now.
Do you want a bag of Space Raiders?
That's okay. I got them from the door. I haven't seen those since I was a kid.
Should be working. There we go.
Welcome to eat in solidarity with Tom as he eats the onion.
Okay, so I need everyone to just like the stream now because we've had to restart it. So all the previous likes are gone. We had to restart it because of YouTube. Oh yeah, you've not heard these sound effects yet.
No, it's very cheesy.
That's the point.
So have you eaten the onion yet?
No, not yet. I've been busy, if you can see. I'm avoiding the onion. Okay, I assume... Can you let me know if that new Patreon person jumps back in? Because I need information from them for the Patreon stuff. Okie dokie.
Is the window open?
Okay. Oh, it's lovely rain outside. Beautiful.
You can't show it, your dog says.
Not yet. Okay. Right. Where was I? Right. Let's bring up my audience retention numbers by setting something on fire. Plate. What's my
What about
everything?
a Space Raider?
You want me to set a space radar on fire?
Yeah.
Sure.
Pull it fizzle out quite quickly.
We'll find out.
Do you want a stick to put the space radar on?
No, we'll just
No?
put on the plate. You tried stealing it? He's trying to steal my wibble wobble.
Oh, but it's a satisfying wobble wobble. You gotta share your wobble wobbles with the world.
I shared my wibble wobbles with the world. There's already been a request to have it on the soundboard.
I would suggest just maybe one or two at a time, not the whole bag. So
I
annoying.
wanted a variety of wobble wobbles. We need sad wobbles and happy wobbles.
You don't seem to enjoy the wibble wobbles.
You should have
could-
thrown it out the window.
It's different when you wobble it yourself.
Try it yourself. I'll hold the microphone. You try the wibble wobbles.
You need both hands.
No, you need both hands and you need to like squish it like a squishy Immediate smile. See?
Okay.
I had the same reaction when you gave it to me. I didn't get to do it, but as soon as I wobbled it, it's like, you enjoy. Are you having sugar, I assume?
Yeah. You look so chubby.
What, the space radar?
Yeah.
You might need to move the camera down.
Yeah, we'll do. I'll grab the second cam.
Leon said, weird, I just got cut off live stream, but now it's back on again.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Leon, now that you're here, I need some information from you so that we can add you to the Patreon thingamajig. Mostly, I just need to know what you would like on your plaque, and also roughly where would you like to be on the board. And I'll set you up with stuff like that. So you get to pick 2 spaces anywhere you wish. I don't really want to move people, but yeah, pick 2 spaces somewhere. I guess just let me know roughly the area you wish, and I'll place you there. Right, phone. Phone is under this. Phone should not be under this. Phone should be under here. There we go. Oh no. No, double no. Go away. There she goes. Right there. Okay. There. Where did I put the fire? Oh, there it is. Sound onion. Right. Space Invader fire.
I was going to say, I wonder how it would burn without any flame, any lighter fluid.
I mean, the lighter fluid just burned away, so now it's just a Space Invader.
Because I remember at school we used to set fire to crisps for science, obviously.
Yeah, but you needed like special like accelerant or something in it. I don't remember exactly what it was, but it was some kind of powder. It smells quite burnt.
Pyro said crispy.
Crispy. Thank you. I like that I asked you if you wanted tea and then you came down and made me tea.
That's usually how it goes.
I do have people to entertain.
Pyro said, I can imagine the smell right now.
It's not that bad. I do not like these. They are very vinegary.
Do you like Space Raiders?
Try it.
Invaders? Yeah, I've had them. They're good.
Very vinegary.
Yeah.
Like.
Leon said, behind maximum bombastic is fine and STAAL will do.
Say next to?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Right, let me. So that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Database, 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 database.
Yeah. Thank you.
Control C, Control V. Oh, and I need a LED color, preferably in hex values.
After a while, that smells pretty bad.
Yeah, the windows are open, so.
I didn't have to say it.
Unfortunately, you covered yourself up when you ate that with the other camera view. Mistakes were made. That's why he's covered up with that bit there.
Oh, the plate.
Did it taste like it smells?
It tastes like if somebody just gave you the burnt end of a cigarette and told you to eat it.
Did you just eat the lighter fluid, Chris? That was a stupid move.
I didn't taste the lighter fluid. It was just charcoal.
Lime says, so you change landlords and don't give a shit if they see this live. Pyro said stream is a lot better at the moment, and Maximum Bombastic says we're going to be neighbours. Lime said indeed it is. Is your desk running? Pyro said haha, and Leon said, but you don't have to make it now if it's a bad time. Just make it whenever. Orange is fine. Orange is a fine colour. Maximum Bombastic said you should flush it out with some onion.
Okay, first of all, Patreons come first. I have nothing against printing the plaque right now. Right. Added to the database. So.
I was gonna say I can move those if you want.
Oh, no, there won't be noise. It's fine. Right, you have been added to the Patreon list. I would suggest welcoming yourself with some bubbles. Bubbles are nice. And I will open up Fusion 360 to make your plaque. Oh dear.
Lime said, tastes like a cigarette, takes another sip.
I didn't realise how loud that was.
Thank you.
Get to work.
Wow, that really does echo down here.
Yeah, I only just noticed.
Let me know when you want to see the secret project.
There's a secret project? Ooh. Sure. Let me do this plaque and then I'll have a look at the secret project.
It's not where I want it to be yet, so I don't think anyone else should really see it unless you think otherwise. It's also nothing like what you said.
Okie dokie. Where was the... Oh, where is it? Oh. I'm trying to do the plaque. Please wait patiently.
What's the time check on the sounds?
0.
So it's checking every millisecond.
Do you mean? What do you mean? The
Well, Pyro sent the McDonald's sound, but it's not played yet.
Oh, that's still 15. No. The refresh rate for that is still 15 seconds.
Okay.
The timeout is 0, so there's no timeout.
Ah, it's because he put sound with a lowercase s.
His fault.
Why do you have the McDonald's sound if you're not sponsored?
Because I kept having the stim on stream.
Oh.
Are you sure that's the TV?
It is. That hum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Because I was mid-level and I just paused it there.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Nope. This one, but I need to move me. Right. How is this? How do you like this? Is this what you are after? Thanks. Thanks for that.
Well, it went up, so I guess that's a yes.
I'm waiting for a message from threw me off. Leon. How is this for you?
Leon says it looks great.
Great, fantastic, thank you. Let's move this out the way again. And eventually I learn which camera is which. Let's turn on the printer. Oh, what? Maximum Bombastic, what did you mean by we're gonna be neighbors? My brain just flashed back to that. What did you mean by that? Right. I'm quite happy that the stream is also buffering less on my end.
Neighbours on the plaque.
Oh, that's what he meant. Cool. Slicey slice. Okay, this will be a 47-minute print. Oh no. There we go. I had the layer height set one. It's a very eerie sound.
Leon said, yeah, that's right. I hope you're a good neighbour all night party.
Okay, printer is restarting. Print. There it goes. Cool. Let's adjust that a tit. Beautiful. Once again, thank you for the support. I appreciate it greatly. Beautiful. Right, my desk is a little bit of a mess. How did we transport these last time? Do you remember?
Probably.
Did I just like wrap them up in like clean film?
Yeah,
Stuff's gonna jostle around, but I guess I'll just have to try hard not to do that. Okay. These units are going with the other units, correct?
Sorry,
This unit's going with the other units.
Yeah.
Okay. Do we have a tiny baggie for the screws and stuff for this?
They're in your drawers. You kept the extra ones, but.
What, tiny baggies? Oh no, oh, well, never mind, they're right there. I accidentally kicked them out whilst I was looking for the thingy. Lovely.
Lime says, yeah, you want to be neighbours till you realise that his streams have chat-controlled fire. Sandy says, only a slight panic in your voice that you might have doxed yourself and made new neighbours. And Lime says, most British sentence ever. Thanks for your support. I appreciate it greatly. Takes a sip of tea.
It's funny because I'm not British. But I'll take it. Okie dokie. Can I grab a piece of tape so I can just like? Thank you. Okie dokie.
That's gonna drive me nuts.
Honestly, they're not abusing the sounds as much as I thought they would.
You've said it now.
I've said it already before, so they still haven't abused them. Ba-da-ba-ba. Okay. Go away. The sounds aren't multi-threaded. I should make them multi-threaded. They'll just be They'll just pile up on each other.
Yeah, that'd be great, wouldn't it?
Hello, Sandy.
It gets louder with each one.
Okay. Right. This is quite a mess. Do we have clean from down here or is it upstairs? Oh, Lime. I wish that worked. Unfortunately, he only just set it to be down there, so it's going to take like a good few minutes for it to come back up.
Lime says, the McDonald's sound is driving me crazy, and Sandy says, you mean you're not Welsh?
I don't have a Welsh bone in my body. I'm 97% European.
Pyro said,
Eastern European.
Pyro said, then we can try to play the sound at the same time with different people.
Yep. It'll just layer itself, I think.
Everyone. McDonald's.
Everyone, is the window open?
Please don't. You'll never hear me on the stream again, I'll leave.
Oh, Joseph, I forgot to say, you need to add your stuff to the stream description as well. Because Jamie's stuff is in there, but yours isn't.
My stuff?
Your links.
Is the window open?
Lime said, is your fridge open?
It is not.
Drinking all? Okay.
I'm okay, thank you.
Is the window open? I'm gone. I left, okay?
What's the... Oh no, I'm missing a drawer. I'm assuming Jamie has that one.
Lime said, you sure?
I'm sure about...
Is the fridge open?
Oh. Do you want me to open it? This kind of seals the fate for the projects until I move. Because all the stuff I need for the projects are in here.
Lime said, it might be open just by a little bit.
I mean, the fridge is permanently slightly open because the seal on it is broken. Sorry, the freezer. See, now we're actually doing some packing up. This is what you guys wanted.
Maximum Bombastic says, they have a very nice voice though, very smooth, very smooth, very soothing.
Lovely. Don't tell them that, they won't accept the compliment. Oh no. Oh no, Lime, why?
Yeah, I thought I'd wait until you'd moved before I brought some of the filament round. it'd be one less thing for you to move then.
I agree.
And I'll put the Cruiser Sword on top of the printer. Pyro said, I think your thingy is broken. None of your commands came through. Yes, it is. But Pyro's did go through.
Are they Patreon only?
Maybe because of the name change, says Pyro.
Nope. No, I've unknowingly set the command, the sound commands to be Patreon only. I will change this.
Lime says, "Or I talked so much shit that it became anxious and blocked me."
Try again.
Or don't.
Sorry about that. One of my followers made the flag waiver.
Is the window open?
Fantastic. Yeah, eventually when we get a good handle on the API calls, like, you know, not abusing them, so I'm not sending 10,000 a millisecond, we'll probably lower the refresh rate for that. I could probably do it now, but I think I'm not going to mess with it for now, as it works. We will be doing a Patreon exclusive vlog from moving. We'll be going over this place and all the weird and wonderful things about it. At some point, probably just before we depart. I don't think I'm going to be doing a lot of filming of actually moving, but you know, maybe I'll have like a time lapse of us loading up the van or something. Oh no. What happened? I have no idea how I'm going to move the blackboard. I'm probably going to cellophane around it as well.
Pyro says, I love this sound, and Lime says, flashback to the Onion Apple style.
I don't like this flashback. Okay. Box number 2.
Pyro said part 2 today.
I'll think about it. Actually, can you do me a favor? Can you put this in the fridge? I've been told that it's better cold. Ah, hello, new person. Matty? The genius Matty.
Lime said do an apple onion style.
To an apple onion style? What the fuck does that mean? I also don't like apples, so if you want to pay me to eat an apple, I guess I'll try. Thanks. No, you won't be able to. No, you won't be able to see what I'm doing down here. It's just gonna look odd. Are you getting used to seeing my desk just move on its own?
Yeah.
This is terrible for my ergonomics. Also, do you want your oscilloscope back?
Yeah, I can take it back. It's one less thing for you to move. The genius Matty says, you are a genius. I am your Italian subscriber.
Thank you. I wouldn't call myself that. Oh god, my back hurts. I wouldn't call myself a genius. I just try really hard not to be stupid.
Lime
And yet,
says,
I still
cut
fail.
the apple in stripes. Pyro says, in little cubes. And Lime said, man, if I would have the money, I would pay you to do garlic strawberry style. Pyro says, in chocolate. And the genius Matty says, good. And Lime said, even better.
So am I eating garlic in chocolate? What price would you put on that?
Garlic in chocolate.
Like garlic dipped?
You can get chili chocolate. So could it be something like...
No. It's gotta be a garlic clove, just like it's chocolate, like the same way you would do like chocolate strawberry, but like.
See, if it's covered in chocolate,
It might be
probably
nicer.
fine.
I'll say. Wait, let me check if we have garlic. Just out of curiosity.
Maximum Bombastic says, maybe we crowd fund an apple onion style. What's the price after the onion though? No, like a whole garlic. A candied onion.
Okay, what do you mean by whole garlic? Do you mean a single garlic clove or like an entire garlic
Bowl
thing?
I think the whole bowl.
That's not that bad, I don't think.
Lime says, man, I have no money.
Entire garlic clove. I don't have chocolate to cover it with. Do I still have the lids? I did somewhere. Where are the rest of the lids? Shit. I'm gonna... Can I kick that towards you? And if you can put it by the door so that we don't forget about it. What the fuck is blocking you? Ain't nothing in your way. Man, I hate the way that you walk, the way that you talk.
The Genius Matty says, I'm also a YouTuber and I make videos about Arduino.
Oh, cool.
Lime says, man, I have no money. Pyro says, I'm in Maximum Bombastic. Lime says, I spent it on McDonald's Coca-Cola glass menu.
McDonald's Coca-Cola glass menu? What on earth does that mean?
Or MC Coca-Cola glass.
Is there a McDonald's exclusive Coca-Cola glass?
Lime says, those glow-in-the-dark ones look fire though. Lime says, I feel regret for not taking the glowing one. Pyro says, uranium glass. Lime says,
that makes sense.
didn't know there was until next day my friend bought one, yes. And Jules Ham says, hello people.
Hello, Jules. You've missed quite a bit. As you can tell, everything here is packed. Right, all of these things, along with that.
Jules Ham says, I was driving again.
When were you driving on a bank holiday?
Pyro
Although not
says,
everyone's in England, I guess.
would have been funny if he joined and there was just an empty room. Jules Ham asks, when do you move?
Friday, we're getting a van to move everything. Friday is the day where everything shifts. I am terrified and also happy. Oh, I need to take the curtains down. Oh, I don't know when I'm going to do that. That's a tricky one. I mean, I guess I can cover up the windows somehow.
You could just do it another time.
Yeah, might have to. Don't live streaming. It will dox you.
Maybe it's just the green screen behind you and this is all...
Psych, we're at the new place. Shut up.
No engineer here says, did you get kicked out or what?
No, we're moving out of our own free will. We have not been kicked out. There isn't really bad blood between me and the landlord. We just, you know...
Is the window open?
Want to move to greener pastures.
Lime said maybe the whole stream is a simulation.
Yes, welcome to Unreal Engine 6. I am just a puppet avatar, and Joseph really is a ChatGPT text-to-speech.
What did you think of the AI music that I sent you?
Oh my god, it was fucking hilarious. Wait, did you send it to me on Discord or on
It's on iMessage. I can...
Can you Discord
Yeah.
it to me so I can play it on stream? You guys, I need you guys to hear this. It's so good. Actually, just post it in chat. They can listen to it themselves. It'll be better than me blasting it through all the speakers. Oh, you guys. Oh, this is so good. It's so, so good. This is going in the trash. I don't need this. You know what's funny? I still need to take apart that monitor. Let's just do it now. Okay. Shush. Sideways. Okay.
Leon says, I knew it about Joseph. He is an AI.
Only the people that come to Maker Central will be proven wrong, all right. Shit.
Just the wobbly board thing. No engineer here says, awesome, good luck there. Hope your new place will suit your needs better.
Oh, I really do hope so. We're gonna have like I keep saying it, we're gonna have a garden, and I'm gonna be able to do garden things. It's gonna be great. Bigger fires.
When was the last time that was plugged in?
About a month and a bit ago.
Be careful. Don't touch the spicy bit at the end.
At the end? What if I do it at the beginning?
No, you know the back of the...
Thank you.
I will send it to Discord.
You'll send it where?
Putting it on the Discord now.
Oh, okay. Lick it? I am not licking it. Trust me, bro. Joseph isn't reading my threads, so it doesn't. Yeah, I need you guys to tell me what you think of the song that Joseph made. I think it's quite a masterpiece. Where the fuck did I put the okay. There. Good morning, brother.
No engineer here says, oh nice, goody, I foresee a garden robot. I didn't make a song, it was an AI generated song, so I just gave it the prompt and it spat out something that was quite amusing.
I like to think Joseph is a musician. He's a man of many talents.
Bear with, I can see that the URL isn't working.
Ooh, spicy. Right, let's oh, I've put away all my things. Shit.
I think I've just sent the same one again.
How do I do anything? Oh, 85, that's not so bad. Thanks. Joseph. What do I do? Ideally, I want to just be able to...
Stick the lid back on and chuck it in the bin.
Ideally, I want to be able to take out the motherboard bit.
I wouldn't bother.
Really?
No, I'll just stick the lid back on and get rid of it.
actually that bad?
If you don't know, then
But there's a
yes.
high voltage thingy-majig and it can make like cool sparks, can't it? Okay. Guess I'll... I already threw the screws in the bin. Safety console said no, guys. I can't actually just put this back in the bin though, can I? Oh, there's so much shit in here. Hello and welcome to Mellow Labs, where I'm digging for the bin to find the screw. I found 3 out of 4. That's good enough. Right. Oh, and I'm gonna say this again. Don't forget to like the stream. I like likes. Likes are likable. So like the stream if you like the stream. If you don't like the stream, then dislike the stream. Either way, it's engagement. Also, I posted a reel before, a short, whatever you want to call them, before going live today. If you guys have any questions to any particular creators, let me know. We will be going around, talking to them, asking them questions. And, you know, if you guys have any questions for them, let us know. We'll ask them. That print is getting close to doing the thing, so we'll have to change the filament now. Cool. Alright, well, that was, I don't know where I can ditch this. Maybe I can just leave this here when I move. I don't know. You want to show me secret project?
Not right now.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, well, so here we are. I'm gonna sit down. Yeah, I love that. Right. Make a central. What do they know? Do they know things? Let's find out. Make a central. What do they? That should hopefully work. It does. There you go. Your first bubbles. My phone camera's in the way. There you are. Your plaque's almost done. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Are you really doing it? Make a central stream at 12 a.m. Okay, 12 a.m. is midday. Me and my partner had a thing about this, and we actually had to Google it. 12 a.m. is actually the midday between like 1 p.m. Before 1 p.m. It's 12 a.m. Google it. You'll find out the exact same thing that I found out. 12 p.m. is midnight. 12 a.m. is midday. I literally had to double check myself because we both weren't sure which is the correct one. But when you Google it, it actually comes up. So yeah, 12 a.m. Right, the hour before 1 p.m. My friend asked me why I wanted to be Patreon, and I told him I can make bubbles. Cool. So all 12 are wrong. I mean, they're not wrong. I don't know. I don't use 12-hour clocks. Do I need to post the link to that article that I read? Well, article/website. Hold on. Ooh, that wasn't pleasant. I love that enough people are confused about this, that there are multiple articles about this.
Check out the album art on the thing I just posted.
One moment. Where is it?
On Discord.
No. Direct message or?
No, it was on the general chat.
Oh.
There you go.
Fuck is that? Oh. Okay. I can't believe I'm watching this host do it for the views. Oh, I hate it. I could hate it. Oh, you've got other stuff down here as well.
Yeah.
I'll look into it later. Okay, where was I? Down here. Desk 100. The desk is already high enough, thank you. Oh, I still smell that burnt crisp. Okay, I don't have a box for this anymore, but I need to put it somewhere. Ooh. Oh. No, we'll deal with it later. Ooh. Wow.
So far.
Very pretty. Wait, does that update automatically?
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Okay.
Wow. So this is just everything on my channel feed.
Top 5 or whatever it is.
Nice. I like it. Like it a lot.
I'm glad you do, because it's nothing like what you said.
I gave you artistic liberty.
That one works. No, it doesn't. Clearly not.
Go back home. Home is Patreon.
Yeah, because it was Patreon.
Oh, I see. Oop, I need to change filaments. 1 second. I'll go back to it. Hold on up. Get up, get on me. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Okie dokie. Let's print again. Right. So
Maximum Bombastic says, can you make a chat command to play Joseph's AI song?
no, because I'll actually have to make it multi-threaded. Right, I need to press play on the print. Can you catch up with all the other commands? Cause sorry, all the other chat stuff, because I've not read them.
Yep.
There we go.
So Maximum Bombastic said, keep the case and put a digital aquarium in it. It's finally Electro boom moments are coming. Pyro says, or just an actual aquarium. Lime says, I mean, if it wouldn't have all the phosphor and wouldn't shatter while opening up, it would be a sick aquarium. Ignacio says, all these camera sources, just missing one Subway Surfers game. Pyro said, yeah, love that. Ignacio says, maker creators, what do they know? Do they know things? Let's find out. Pyro says, even every bit of the screen full of different content, haha. Maximum Bombastic says, are you really doing the Make Essential stream at 12 AM midnight? Leon, my friend, asked, you've read that one out already. Ignacio, Wikipedia says, the American Heritage Dictionary of the English language states, by convention 12 AM denotes midnight and 12 PM denotes noon. Lime says, do you remember the tea bag in the soap dish? Lime said, good times.
Tea bag in the soap dish?
No Engineer here says, why aren't you going to EMF?
I never said I wasn't, but I might not. EMF is is very close to when we're going to open source, I think. I'd have to double check that, but I'm pretty sure it's around the time we're going to open source. EMF.
So with the secret project,
yeah.
Out of 10, what do you reckon so far?
I really want to see the about page.
Yep. Okay.
Because I like that.
Well, that just kind of gave away the secret project a little bit.
It's fine. They don't know anything. Yeah, about page. I do like the banner a lot. I do think the top navigation bits are a bit hard to see.
Yes, I agree.
Is it here? Yeah. Yeah.
Because I wanted to make them a bit more standy-outy like your drawing.
Yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking, just
Yeah.
because I like different colors for stuff and keeping with like the Mellow Labs theme.
Yeah. I'm glad you like the.
It looks good. Yeah, this is awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. No notes.
Yeah.
I mean, you already have the notes.
Mhm.
Sick. I like it a lot.
Hope you don't mind if I'm just uploaded the video to your channel as well.
Oh yeah, that's fine. It's fine as long as it's not public. I don't mind. Tickets for EMF are 180 quid. And that's why I'm not going to EMF.
Pyro said, EMF is close to where I live.
Yeah, 180 quid for tickets to EMF, where I have to bring my own May 2nd to... No, sorry. Oh, 30th of May to June... I'm okay, thank you. May 30th... Oh, god damn it, sorry. May... Oh, that... Okay, sorry. The page split on this is really annoying. May 30th to June 2nd is actually not that bad. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not paying 180 quid for a ticket where I'm pretty sure I have to bring my own, you know, camping stuff. It's just a little... It's a little way over my budget. Especially right now with, you know, moving and all that. Maybe next year, but probably definitely not this year, unfortunately. Cool.
Lime says, your banner says on mobile, LOLAL in YouTube.
On mobile? Does it? I don't think so. Using the YouTube app or just using the thing? Oh, it does. It's not optimized for the app. Oh, look, the thing's finished printing. Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. Cool. Let's pop a magnet in it. That way round. Magnet.
Lime said, celebrate the new apartment with an onion.
Onion is not the way to celebrate everything in life, unfortunately. Boy, that sound is someone else. We are going down here.
Ignacio says I put onion in almost every dish, so seems like a great way to celebrate.
I'm not gonna say no because I like onions.
Cooked onions.
Cooked onions. Just don't want to eat them raw. I haven't modified the model to actually fit these magnets in properly. There we go. Beautiful.
Maximum Bombastic said, and don't forget about the DNA synthesis benefits.
DNA synthesis bandits? I've clearly forgotten about the DNA synthesis bandits.
Benefits.
Oh.
So it helps your DNA.
Oh, okay. My
Pyro
brain
says,
is
are you going to
slow.
look into Meshtastic?
What is Meshtastic? Leon, your badge is up. Show yourself, and it will light. Little heart's in the way. I can't read it.
Ignacio says the new ham radio hobby.
I'm not really a home radio person. I'll look into it. By which I mean I'll watch a video about it.
Pyro said there are some posts in show off time.
Oh, yeah. I'll look into it. Ham radios aren't unfortunately my thing. Oh, how am I? I have so much shit to move. Okay, well I need those, annoyingly.
Cool. It's not really orange. It's more on the edge of red.
I'll modify that color in the future. Oh no. This is why we put timeouts on commands.
Good chat engagement though.
It is good chat engagement. Every time you guys send the sound commands, the chat rate goes up to like 13. Okay. Oh fuck my back, man. Can I need a box from upstairs. Ba-da-ba-ba. Can I grab the box for the
What should
resin
I do
printer?
while he's gone?
Is there a separate box for the Cura? Okay. This is the plug for your monitor. Next to the monitor. How you doing up here? Oh, gaming.
You were right in front of it. Sorry. I don't know why I'm apologizing.
My partner is currently playing Bayonetta. Okay. Oh, that goes inside. Okay. This is the box for the resin printer.
Doesn't have your address on it, does it?
No. This one does. Thanks for that. No, that's not actually too bad. But it means you can't see what I'm doing.
Are there any secret sounds, or have you disclosed all of them?
No, they're all disclosed. Not this time. Next time, maybe. We'll see how busy I am with everything. Da-da. Damn. Right, charger.
Is the window open?
Yes, the window is open. That one's gonna keep catching me off guard. It's just nothing but sounds.
Did we have any input with questions for Make Essential?
Did we have any
Input, or are they being put on Discord somewhere?
Oh, I mostly just pointed people towards the comment section in the underneath the reels and shorts.
Okay.
But if you guys wanna, I'm trying to think where the best place on Discord would be without me having to make another channel right now. I'd say just put them in the comment sections of those reels and shorts. That would be the best bet for now on, until I have more time to deal with that. It smells like resin. Where's this supposed to go?
Is the window open?
Yes. Okay, so that goes there, like that. Doesn't seem right. Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. That goes in here.
Is the
That
window open?
goes here, but that's supposed to be lower down. No, pushing it up. Why are you guys booing? Oh my god, this is painful. Should I have turned it on for this process? Yes. Do I feel stupid? Shut up. Hello Zane, how you doing?
Zane asks, what resin printer is it?
This is a Mars Free Pro? Mars Free...
I think it is the same as mine.
It's an Aligu Ultra 4K 3D Printer Pro. The Mars Free.
The week after I got my Mars 3, the Mars 4 came out. But to be fair, the Mars 3 is perfect for what I need.
Oh, come on. Get down there. It's so
Lime says, let's spam the bot full till its API call overflows and crashes.
That's not how the API works. It's still gonna refresh every 15 seconds.
Pyro said no, that then we won't get any more sounds. Zane says, I'm concerned you didn't know, lol. Did a sponsor send you it?
No, this isn't technically my printer, this is my partner's printer. Yeah, it's theirs, not really mine. I'm just packing it up because it usually just sits in my office with the other printers. I wish they sent me it. I did email them about it, but no, they didn't. So this was all paid for. I agree, the boo.
Zane says, oh, that makes sense.
Where the fuck don't you want to shut? Do you guys ever have to watch an unboxing video to see how something was boxed?
Is the window open? Is the window open? Is the window open?
It's so much worse because it's on the speaker. Why the f doesn't this want to close with this thing onto it? Maybe it just doesn't close? Maybe it just sits like that? Or maybe I'm not supposed to have the VAT in here.
Maximum Bombastic said, yep.
Okay. Good enough. I don't have tape. Do I have tape? I have small tape. Small tape is good enough.
Pyro says, but yeah, I make an unboxing myself, and when I need to pack it up again, I just watch it in reverse. Lime says, I need a new sound, that's annoying.
What, the tape? The tape on me. I'm not a new sound.
Lime says, he developed a resistance.
Yes, I did a while ago. I'm getting very, very mixed reviews here. Yeah, it's quite a long cable. It's pretty decent. Yes, I realize that I'm now having to disassemble it again so that I can put it away. Do I feel stupid? No. Because I needed to unbox it.
Is the window open?
Yes, window is open. Bubbles. Oh, there's a screen protector under here. Doesn't fit very well. Cool. I tried asking Cloud if he wants to manage the do the highlights video after each live stream. He doesn't. I just don't want to. I just don't want to edit it. It's too long. I have more stuff to do, and also I'm very behind now. Don't step on the cable. Oh, Pyro, you still didn't message me about this. Just DM me wherever. So far, it just lives next to your current plaque, which I'm pretty sure is also now out of date, because I think you updated again. And if James Ham is still here, you still haven't messaged me what you want on the plaque.
Jules Ham.
Sorry, Jules Ham.
Lime says, I hope I can overheat the motor or use up all the bubble fluid at his desk. Herman Roos says, we need laughter sound. And Pyro says, oh yeah, we'll do. Yeah, I have the 12 volt.
I shall print you a bigger plaque. And we'll have another plaque to do something with. Goes in there. Yeah, that's annoying. Also, you can't really overheat the bubble motor. I did actually change it since publishing that video. I'm using a... Did I mention this last time? Yeah, I changed the motor driver and the... No, just the motor driver. It's nicer and smaller.
Pyro says, or move me more to the corner and have the corner piece be a free parking icon just as Monopoly. Or start.
Interesting. Will do. My head's spinning. So much to do. So little time. So little space. Chuck that down there. Move that over. There we go. Boxes. That's an annoying shape to pick up. I don't have a box for that. I need to use the bathroom. Listen to nothing.
Pyro said, that is what you get when you do all those side quests. I think he's choosing to ignore me.
Is the window open?
Sorry, what did Pyro say?
Pyro said, that is what you get when you do all those side quests. And Pyro then said, sound P stream. Herman said, sound wet fart. Pyro said, sound fart. And Herman said, "Is the door open?"
Was it that loud? Okay.
Is my car being taken away outside?
No, it's still good. It's got a ticket on it. Okay. Shit. Maybe I should not have the fuel open. Ba-da-ba-ba. I'm debating whether I'm taking this entire thing as it is and just like clean forming it. But I feel like it's going to cause some issues. Because all the drill bits and all that is going to fly out. Shit. I'd like to not have to pack it all up. But I might have to. Also, I'm going to have to take these monitors down. Oh god, the logistics of transporting everything. Okay. Let's move these out of the way now. I'll need these down here. Sorry, thank you.
Is the window open?
Interesting. Cool. We might actually end soon. I think we've did everything that was on my list to do today.
Except for eat the onion.
That was not on my list. Microscope, thermal camera. Monitor. This whiteboard we've done. Shelves from background. Oh, monitor disassembly. Yeah, we've done everything on my list. Alright, cool. I guess that's the live stream then. I still have a lot to do, but I won't subject you to me just walking back and forth trying to figure out how to tackle this. So, definitely going to put a timer on the sound commands now. I don't think this is a box I need. No. Too small to package stuff. So, thank you guys for...
Maximum Bombastic said onion should be top of the list.
Do I really? Okay, fine. I'll eat the onion. I was hoping I could get away without eating the onion. You can't see me, but I'm cutting down the
Lion said do garlic.
You haven't paid me for the garlic. You just paid me for the onion. Yes. Zippy, hold this quite better, please.
Harry asks how much for garlic.
Can we set a price next time? I don't want to eat garlic today. I'll put it on the agenda for the stream after this one. This is the scale. This is exactly 130 grams, so we need to cut that down a bit. This is 61. This is 69. Nice. We have the nice amount of onion. Okay. How is? Oh, wow. Really? Okay, impressive. Right, I guess we'll do this bit, and we'll add an extra, like, what, 2 layers? Nope, that's too much. 78, still too much. 73, getting there.
The 3D printer stream is in the way. Slightly.
There we go.
Lime says, do a chart where Patreon users can vote for a fruit or vegetable for you to eat.
72, exactly.
At the end of the stream.
At the end of the stream.
It could be something incorporated into the secret project.
Could be. I mean, to be fair, there's not a lot of people here already. The people that are here are like diehards. I think we can tell them about the secret project, right?
It's entirely up to you. Dion says, I was watching Survivor and add in water to my aquariums. How do you chat control something?
How do you chat control? Sorry, can you repeat that?
I was watching Survivor and add in water to my aquariums. How do you chat control something?
I use Home Assistant with Python with the YouTube API.
Herman Roos says, Lime says, imagine the health improvements.
Oh, it's so not much better. Oh, I don't even have ice cream today. Oh, you're all going to hell.
I did ask if you wanted me to bring something.
I'll regret my previous statement.
Leon says, come on, let us know what the secret project is, please.
So, we're working on a website specifically for Mellow Labs. Oh god, it's so spicy.
Is the window open?
Doesn't matter.
Lime says, use milk to flush it down. Pyro says, why is the air spicy?
I'm trying to get through this quickly. So we're working on a Mellow Labs website. You know, with stuff like an about page and you know, previous project content, that kind of stuff, with like timeouts. With countdowns to like next video, next live stream, and also we're gonna have a support page with stuff like, you know, my Patreon, like a donate thing in case you want to donate for stuff like this. And also we'll have like a little section for like support a project kind of thing, where I'm gonna have maybe like something along the lines of like description with a with like an Amazon wish list for parts for that specific project. So if there's a project on there that you specifically like and you want to support it, well, you'll be able to like actually, you know, buy stuff for that particular project. If you guys have any ideas for stuff we can add to the site like that, we do want to add something like a store in the future, but making stuff like merch or you know, making stuff to actually sell is not really high on my list right now. You know, I have to finish eating an onion. But yeah, if you guys have any cool ideas for stuff like that, let us know. We'll be happy to hear about it. We'll probably won't share a link anytime soon. We're still in early development. I say we. Joseph's developing it for me. I'm too lazy to do it. But yeah, that's the secret project. I don't like onions.
Lime says, make a mailbox for fan packages.
I looked into it. Having a PO box is actually pretty expensive, so it's probably not going to happen anytime soon.
And Maximum Bombastic says, that sounds super cool, financing projects. And Herman Roos says, 24/7 live cam of you eating onions. It could just be a loop. A continuous loop of you eating an onion. Mellow Labs /onion.
I have made a discovery. The outside of the onion is better than the inside of the onion. It's less spicy.
Pyro says, will that also include the filament spool stuff that you showed off a few days ago? Lime says, yes, Onion Labs.
So, yes, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep up with it. Mostly because like I don't buy too many different kinds of spools, but also there is already a project out there that has made basically the same exact thing without me realizing, and he has a lot more entries on there. I don't quite like the look of it. I think mine is quite a bit cleaner, and it makes it easier for me to find it when it's cleaner that way. So I'll probably keep up with it for now. I just got a spool from Joseph to add to that. Am I going to keep it going in the long run? I don't know. I would like to open it for other people to submit spools as well, but I have quite a high criteria for how I want it to look like. So for example, I do an actual scan of the spools, and with like an actual page scanner, just so that it actually looks good and is relatively uniform on the site. So maybe I'll put like a guidance thing on how to submit stuff. I could easily do like a Google form if you're interested in that. We might have a thing on the site for it, but yeah, not 100% sure yet. So currently it's just running off of Google Sites on the back end. We could, I think Joseph mentioned we could just have like a redirect for it. Yeah, we might do that. I don't know if there's much point with the other one existing, but if you prefer my one to their one, then sure, I'll keep it going. Check the website. Check the website. The reference is pretty. Do you know about recycling? Check the website. Refilling are pretty complete. Prideful. Oh no! What to do? Something like to do. The reason I don't read stuff by myself. I'm a very bad reader. Joseph reads my stuff for me a lot of the time, and I very much appreciate it because I'm a terrible reader, and it's awful when I can't read stuff because it just brings down the chapter. I couldn't read the last few messages; they were long.
Lime says, you know about recycling fabric. And Lime says, check their website. Their refills are pretty competitively priced for recycled PLA. I think they have PETG too.
Oh, so they like recycle filament. Interesting. Are they in specific regions or are they global?
Dion says, will there be a live next week?
Next week? No, next week is video week. The week after that is live stream week, and it will be live from Maker Central.
Unless we get kicked out.
We shouldn't be. I did actually message the social media team from Maker Central, and I told them what my plan was and everything, and they were like up for it. So, yeah, theoretically we should be all good. I'm really worried about reception. They do say they have Wi-Fi, but you know it's guest Wi-Fi. It's not going to be great. Fingers crossed we have like really decent enough phone reception. I really wish it did. I really wish I had a way of checking that beforehand. We'll be there Saturday, Sunday. That's confirmed now 100% because we've got tickets for both days. So we're gonna spend the Saturday just going over and talking to people and you know asking them if they want to be part of it and stuff like that, and you know arranging stuff to happen. And then Sunday we'll actually oh, that's pretty. Wait, is that for it's not got an SD card slot? Sorry,
SIM slot. No,
SIM slot.
It does have an SD card slot, I think.
Huh.
The plan is to connect to their Wi-Fi and to one of our phones. And
Okay.
hope that it will choose the best network.
Oh, okay, fair enough. Cool. Sick. This is the one that you can like hook up a hard drive to and have like a mini portable NAS, right?
Mm-hmm.
Very cool. I like it. Did you have to buy it just for this?
No, I bought it because every time I go out with my friend, we always tether to one of our phones, and the iPhone tethering is a bit naff. So I just connect this and it's fine.
Fair enough.
Lime said, prepare the onions and ice cream. Pyro said, so what about onion flavoured ice cream? And Maximum Bombastic says, recycling fabric is in Germany. Lime said yes. Pyro asked, will there be fire? Maybe not by us.
No, probably not from us. I wish I could bring something like the bubble machine with us, but realistically we're not going to be able to. Well, first of all, it runs on Home Assistant, so I'd have to drag a Home Assistant server with us, which would have to be tethered to the Wi-Fi and all that. So no, unfortunately not. We do. So the way I'm planning for this, you guys can, I guess, let me know what you think about this. So I don't know if any of you watch Formula One, but I'm kind of thinking we'll walk around. We'll do interviews with people that we like talked to beforehand, just to make sure that they're okay with it. And if we haven't had a chance to see them the day before, we'll still ask them if they want to be in. But I'm thinking, you know, we'll interview someone, then we'll stand on the side for a bit. We'll interact with chat. We'll you know, do some questions, blah blah blah. And if there's someone you guys want to see, you want us to seek out, we'll probably have the people. If we agree with people that want to be on the stream the day beforehand, we'll have them like listed in the description, just so you know who's going to be coming up, stuff like that. We're planning to have a second person who's mostly just managing chat, because Joseph's going to be doing the camera and probably reading chat for me because dyslexia. So I'm trying to take a lot of admin stuff away from him, so we'll have somebody else off-site just kind of monitoring that, and if there's anything important they'll just ping us on Discord or something. They'll kind of also be organizing some of the questions, so hopefully that'll go smoothly. Yeah, onion flavored milk, just no. I don't like milk anyway, I drink soy.
Line says, they are global if you send 15 kilos at once.
I don't really have 15 kilos of filament. Surprisingly, when I've learned early on that doing small test parts is better than like printing out the whole thing and then being like, oh, well, this one piece doesn't fit. Guess I'll trash the whole thing. So I'll do small parts to test stuff. So for me to actually build up 15 kilograms of waste PLA, it's actually going to take me quite a while.
Dion said, so every second week is live if everything goes well.
Unless we do something like a switchover, like we did for April Fools, where I posted a video instead of it being, because April Fools ended up being on a Monday. So instead of doing a live stream, we actually switched it to video. So we kind of had a whole flip.
Pyro said onion flavoured garlic, and Lime said onion flavoured air. I've noticed a few YouTubers being sponsored by the Air Up water bottles recently.
Mm-hmm.
I think Colin Furze was on his latest one. So you could have an onion flavoured water bottle thing.
Sure, if they pay me. I'm not on a good track record with sponsors. I don't know if you've noticed.
Maximum Bombastic says, would take me years to accumulate 15 kilos of scraps and fails. Lime said onion flavoured PLA.
What if we team up and just the only thing we send them is a 15 kilogram box of purge lines? Just nothing else but PLA purge lines. So close, look. I'm so close. Look how little onion I have left.
Dion asks, would someone like Colin Furze be at Make a Fair? Make a Central, I'm guessing.
Colin Furze what?
Would someone like Colin Furze be at Make a Fair?
Colin Furze is like the main attraction at Maker Central. If you look at the Maker Central like Instagram page, he is all over it. Even the website, he's just all over it. He's like the main ticket driver for Maker Central.
Maximum Bombastic says, I watched an Air Up review and apparently all the YouTubers are lying about it tasting good.
Okay, I watched that video also. I don't know how I feel about it. Honestly, I've not tried it, so I can't say shit. I do think that person was specifically kind of harsh. In reality, it's just a little flavor pod that's gonna sit on top of it. I don't think it's gonna be as bad as he says. I do think that what he did was like ripping off the thing and like immediately smelling it, which is obviously going to be very concentrated. But like he said, after like a day or two, or just leaving it for a bit, it's fine. So yeah.
Pyro said, just munch it down in one bite. Lime says, imagine just like people put limes in water using onions instead. And Lime said, swallow it whole.
It's an amazing thing. Back when I was in Poland, so I was like 6 or 7, probably 5, honestly. My parents would make a remedy for like sickness, just by having a jar with onions and sugar, and you'd put it on the radiator. And you just wait for it to just like all the onions to like merge with the sugar, and it actually tasted really, really good. But it was mostly the sugar. So yeah. So I guess I have a little bit of immunity from that, but there's no sugar in this. I should make one of those. Actually, I should make that. I've not made it. I've not had it in years. So maybe it's actually still good. Maybe that's why my genes are so strong in Eastern Europe. So the onion and sugar.
I think it would be quite unlikely for us to get a sit down or something with Colin Furze.
Do what, sorry?
I think it would be unlikely for us to be able to chat with Colin Furze on the live stream.
I know people around him now. Also, I think I can talk to his wife first and see what she says. Also, Hacksmith's gonna be there. Hacksmith would be a cool one.
Lime says, put it through a sip and use it as sweetener. Pyro says, wait, can I hear the printer in the background in the sound crunch sound?
Oh, popcorn maker. Yeah. Actually, no. No. So I used 3 different sounds at the beginning. Because that's 2 different sound bites of me biting into the onion put together. There was a third one in front, but it had the popping in the background. Annoyingly, whenever I took a bite of the onion, somebody would talk. So yeah, there's stuff in the background of those.
Time to remake a sound clip then. And I'll be quiet this time.
Not as good as biting into it as an apple. Oh, so fucking spicy.
Dion says Colin should start a post jet at Maker Central.
I should start a post? Oh, Jesus Christ. Sure, do it. Have we lost subs today? Wow, we gained 2 subs. Damn. Doing good.
Only about 3,000 more to go until open source actually acknowledge you.
That's if they acknowledge me. They seem to be very wavy on what applies as a content creator and what doesn't. How many onions till William Osmond notices me? I'm not looking at you, I'm looking at the chat, which is right above you. Oh, my tongue is burning. I don't have water. I don't have tea. Can I have a Dr. Pepper? Do you have any more? Actually?
Yeah, I've got
Oh wow, thank you. I've never been a Dr. Pepper person, but then I don't remember like actually fully trying them. Tastes like medicine.
Gotta taste better than onions.
Not whilst you're eating the onion.
You not finished it yet?
No, I still got 2 pieces. 2 last pieces.
Lime says, imagine giving it Halloween sugar-soaked onions.
Actually, don't knock it till you've tried it. It's pretty good. Not sweet corn, sweet onions. This is it. The journey ends here. Oh, there we are. The onion has been consumed. And now I can forget about it. And never get you guys to bully me into eating something, no matter how much money you offer me. Unless you offer me a lot of money, then I'll consider it. I don't mind it, but my tongue is How the fuck did my desk even move down?
Maximum Bombastic says, congrats.
are you a Patreon supporter? I don't think you are. Unfortunately, the bubble command is Patreon only. Alright. Well, I guess with that, I'm gonna go continue packing stuff up. Well, actually, no, I'm gonna go to sleep and then pack up stuff in the morning. I still have to do a, oh no, it broke it. It fixed it. Unfortunately, I still have to.
Is the window open?
I forget what I have to. What do I have to do? Fuck.
Rhymes
Oh, I
says
still
no,
have to make a thumbnail for the video. Yeah, that was it. Since when what? What did I do? What did I say? See, we've not had a single streaming issue since I switched it back to regular.
I think for the stream we do at Maker Central, we'll probably have it on the highest setting.
Well, low latency seems to be fine. And also, I don't think you have those options on mobile. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah. Well, sorry, I'm broken. The onion broke me. We might do like a quick test stream for Patreons on Saturday. As we're like walking around, we'll maybe like end of day or something like that, just to have a look to see how bad it is. And if it's particularly bad, we might need to very quickly come up with a plan B. Which is just, I say come up with it, I've already come up with it because contingencies are important. We might just end up shooting video. And then as we go, fuck, hold on. My brain's broken. We might just end, if the internet is particularly bad and we cannot stream like really bad, we will just record the videos, and I'll do what I did right after right after Smurf, where I just stay up the whole night editing it down and posting it up the next day. I wish I don't have to do. I hope I don't have to do that, because long nights are drooling. And also, I think it'll be a lot more entertaining when it's live, because you guys can suggest things in chat and interaction and all that. But worst case scenario, we record stuff and post it the day after, or maybe like when we get to the hotel room. It shouldn't be too bad to like string things together. But yeah. That's worst case scenario. I really hope the internet is relatively fine. It is, and like any other convention, there's going to be a lot of people with a lot of phones on a lot of phones everywhere with their cellular on when they really don't have to, and Wi-Fi is going to be shit. But yeah, I really do hope it works well. But yeah, unless you guys have any other questions, I think we're going to be wrapping up so that I can get to bed, because my brain is broken because of the onion. I don't think YouTube's going to have an option for me to combine two streams together, which is very annoying. It'd be cool if it did.
Pyro says, thank you for the great stream. Have a good night.
Alrighty. Till yeah, next week's video. Next week, week after that, make a central live stream. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. Thank you for chilling with us, and we'll be back soon. Doodaloo.
Goodbye.